Dear success YouTube creator, please help me. If I make a money by YouTube creator, then my excitement and pleasure is to be taught. If my creating contents are to be seen in the world, then my excitement is really high. If my dream come true, then my living will be getting enough living. Reading book, free time for my enough living. I have been working for years for YouTube working. I want to be a professional YouTuber. If I got a money, I will invest first. AI program fully using as helping AI, my creature of knowledge to be movie all the time. I am a creating knowledge maker. I really to be loved from all over the world fan. My righteous soul TV. Ultimate goal is to reach my contents all over the world. This my dream will become true. Thank you.